Wait, Silksong. On Android? I know, it sounds fake, but you're literally seconds away from seeing it with your own eyes. Don't blink, because if you miss this, you'll probably regret it when everyone else is flexing there. Silksong gameplay on mobile. Here's the crazy part. The Eden emulator is finally on the Play Store. Yeah, no shady websites, no weird files. You just tap install like it's nothing. But hold up, don't get too comfortable. If you try to rush ahead without the right setup, your game's gonna crash harder than Hornet spamming parries. Now, once you've got Eden installed, loading Silksong is where the real fun begins. And no, I'm not about to drop a boring lecture here. You want to play, right? You want that thrill of controlling Hornet in your hands on a phone screen? That's what I thought. So lean in, because this part matters. See, Eden isn't just another emulator. It's smooth, it's optimized, and if you tweak it just right, Silksong runs like butter. Imagine showing your friends Silksong running flawlessly on Android while they're still waiting for news of an official release. Yeah, you'll be that person. But hey, I'll be honest, this isn't for quitters. Miss one detail, and you'll be staring at a black screen. Stick with me though, and in a few minutes, you'll be playing Silksong on your phone like it was made for mobile. So tell me, are you ready to be one of the first to experience Hollow Knight Silksong on Android? Or are you just gonna scroll past and watch someone else live the dream? Your call.
Friend! 브렌! 브렌!